You are a source of encouragement. We are grateful for each other. They are leaving a legacy of kindness. I am dedicated to personal growth. You are a gift to the world. He is making the most of every day. We are learning from each other. They are filled with positive thoughts. I am surrounded by good people. You are living a life of purpose. She is a pillar of strength. He is admired for his courage. We are creating lasting memories. They are living with integrity. I am proud of who I am. You are capable of amazing things. He is committed to excellence. We are encouraging each other to grow. They are finding joy in the journey. I am confident in my path. You are a remarkable individual. She is making her dreams a reality. He is surrounded by positivity. We are grateful for our experiences.